Right guys, I have arrived to Dunlop. So Dunlop is a small village in Ayrshire.
Just like him, just sub him, it's Yahia Charm 21.
Right guys, our first destination is right here. It's the Dunlop Bowling Club. So this is also a club that they have, the local club. You can actually play bowling here yourself as well. So of course it's not open today actually. It opens at 7 and the time right now is like 3:30 at the moment. I thought I would show you this. This actually looks pretty cool as well, pretty big as well. But yeah, now we're going to move on to our next destination and I will see you when we get there. Right guys, here we are at the Dunlop Village Hall. So the Dunlop Village Hall is full of all the activities, etc. like that. So it doesn't actually open until like 4 o'clock and the time right now is like 3:30, we're saying 1:45, something like that. But anyway guys, so that is all it. So there's nothing else to talk about there. There's good reviews on it, of course, on Google. There's lots of events going on in the Village Hall during these days. I'm sure there'll be lots of community tabs, etc. like that will tell you more about it. So now we're going to move on to our next destination and I will see you when we get there. Right guys, so here we are at the Dunlop Church. So the church is pretty big today. The gap actually round about us is pretty crammed in. It's a very thin gap and then, you know, the driveway is just all the way there. So the church is pretty big as you can see. If we walk around, it's got some nice wee patterns on the windows. So as you can see, there's quite a big nice view from here. Big hill over there. So the War Memorial is actually here as well. It's actually just behind the church actually. So as you can see, you've got all the names 1914 to 1919. There you have it. If we go around it, I don't think it will show us anything else. No, it's just the background there. So now that is us. Now we're going to move on to our next destination and I will see you there. So now I am on my way to the Dunlop Hill. It's known for its scenic views and I'll show you some great views when we get up there. So I'll see you when we get there. It's good that Dunlop have something like that. I'm not sure how exactly you'll get there now because Google Maps has just gone a bit bonkers for me. But at least I get to see it from this view and I think it looks really nice from here. There you have it guys, there's the Dunlop Hill from my view. It's a scenic place. It looks very nice from my view and now we're going to move on to our next destination. I will see you when we get there. So guys, I thought I'd also show you this as well. So they've got the Welcome to Dunlop sign next to the train station and they also have a wee farmhouse that doesn't open until 7 o'clock. And the time right now, it's nowhere near that at the moment. So now that is me going to wrap up the video. I really hope you've enjoyed my Dunlop vlog. If you liked the video, then make sure to leave a like. Comment below for any more recommendations or more things you would like to see on this channel. And most importantly guys, you need to subscribe to the channel as you will follow my adventure around Scotland. Follow my adventure around Scotland and thanks a lot guys. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye everyone.
Just like him, just sub him, it's Yahia Charm 21.